to the flaming hot wings. Let's get started. Let's put this recipe together. Easy, simple instructions, and at the end of it, bursting with flavors and really delicious. Let's get started. To start, I wash and clean my chicken wings. Then I am going to add some green seasoning, link above for that green seasoning. And then I'm going to add some buttermilk. I also have a buttermilk recipe, the link will also be above, and I let that soak overnight. Next morning, I took it out at least half an hour before I was ready to start, and I add some ginger soy sauce. Once that is melted, I will set that aside, and I am going to pat dry my chicken after taking it out from the well-seasoned butter mixture. This is optional, right? You don't have to do this, but it adds a great texture and more flavor, right? Then I'm going to fry all the chicken. This chicken I cook for about 5 minutes, and then once all the chicken is cooked, I am going to add it to the pepper and butter that I melted, and make sure it is totally coated, and I will let it sit for an hour just to make sure it absorbs all that pepper. You could use any pepper of your choice, any butter of your choice. Butter I'm using is really salted, so that's why I didn't add any salt to the seasoning. Beside the green seasoning is properly well salted, so I didn't add any extra salt, plus the Cheetos is full of flavor. So once that is blended, I am now going to start to coat my chicken. It wasn't bad, it just wasn't as hot as people make it out to be. It was full of flavor though. And if I am to make this again, I am going to add more pepper to the recipe. But it was delicious. Thanks for watching.